Greek cuisine is out of this world. You won't believe what we found. Get ready to be transported to the sun-kissed Mediterranean with Greek cuisine that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Indulge in the delicious and exotic flavors of Greece, where every bite feels like a heavenly escape to paradise. Are you ready to take your taste buds on a journey to the land of the gods? Get ready to discover why Greek cuisine is truly out of this world. History of Greek cuisine. Greek cuisine has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. In ancient Greece, food played an important role in everyday life and was often used in religious ceremonies and celebrations. The Greeks believed that good food was essential for good health and well-being, and many of their dishes were made with ingredients that were believed to have medicinal properties. Some of the most important ingredients in ancient Greek cuisine were olive oil, wine, and bread. Olive oil was used in cooking and as a dressing for salads, while wine was a popular drink at meals and celebrations. Bread was also a staple of the ancient Greek diet, and different types of bread were made for different occasions. During the Byzantine Empire, Greek cuisine continued to evolve and incorporate new ingredients and cooking techniques. Byzantine cooks were known for their elaborate and sophisticated dishes, and many of their recipes have survived to this day. Byzantine cuisine also had a strong influence on the cuisines of neighboring countries, including Turkey and the Balkans. During the Ottoman Empire, which lasted from the 14th century to the early 20th century, Greek cuisine underwent another major transformation. Ottoman cuisine was known for its rich flavors and spices, and many of these flavors were incorporated into Greek cuisine. Some of the most popular dishes from this period include moussaka, stuffed grape leaves, and baklava. In the 20th century, Greek cuisine began to incorporate more international flavors and ingredients, particularly after the introduction of tomatoes and potatoes from the Americas. Today, Greek cuisine is known for its simple yet flavorful dishes, such as grilled meats, fresh seafood, and salads dressed with olive oil and lemon juice. So there you have it, a brief history of Greek cuisine. Traditional Greek dishes. When you think of Greek cuisine, there are probably a few classic dishes that come to mind. And let me tell you, these traditional Greek dishes are absolutely delicious. First up, we have moussaka. This hearty casserole is made with layers of sliced eggplant, spiced ground meat, and a creamy bechamel sauce on top. It's a bit like lasagna, but with an irresistible Mediterranean twist. Moussaka is often served with a side of Greek salad and some crusty bread, making for a satisfying meal. Another popular dish is souvlaki, which is essentially grilled meat on a stick. The meat can be chicken, pork, or lamb, and is marinated in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs before being skewered and cooked over an open flame. Souvlaki is typically served with a side of tzatziki sauce, a refreshing yogurt-based dip with garlic and cucumber, as well as some pita bread for scooping up the meat and sauce. And of course, we can't forget about spanakopita. This savory pastry is filled with spinach, feta cheese, and herbs, all wrapped up in crispy layers of phyllo dough. Spanakopita can be served as a main dish or cut into smaller pieces as an appetizer, making it perfect for sharing. Fresh seafood. With Greece being surrounded by the Aegean, Ionian, and Mediterranean seas, it's no surprise that seafood is a big part of their cuisine. In fact, some of the best seafood dishes in the world can be found in Greece. One popular seafood dish is grilled octopus. The octopus is marinated in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs before being grilled to tender perfection. It's usually served with a side of boiled greens, such as horna or amaranth, and some lemon wedges for squeezing over the top. The combination of smoky, charred octopus and tangy lemon is absolutely divine. Another seafood dish you must try is psari plaki, which is essentially baked fish in tomato sauce. A whole fish is marinated in garlic, lemon, and olive oil before being baked in a flavorful tomato sauce with onions, peppers, and herbs. The result is a melt-in-your-mouth fish that's bursting with flavor. Last but not least, we have saganaki. This dish consists of pan-seared cheese, usually a type of sheep's milk cheese like kefalotiri or halloumi. That's flambéed with ouzo or brandy for a bit of added flair. Saganaki is often served as an appetizer and is perfect for sharing with friends. If you're a seafood lover, you definitely won't want to miss out on these fresh and flavorful dishes. Mise. Mise is a style of dining in Greece that's all about sharing small plates of food with friends and family. It's a social way of eating that's all about savoring the flavors and enjoying good company. One of the most famous mise dishes is dolmades, which are stuffed grape leaves. The filling usually consists of rice, herbs, and sometimes ground meat, all wrapped up in a tender grape leaf. Dolmades can be served cold or warm and are often drizzled with lemon juice and a bit of olive oil. Another popular mise dish is terra masalata, which is a dip made from fish roe, breadcrumbs, olive oil, and lemon juice. It's a bit salty and a bit tangy, making it the perfect accompaniment to a plate of crisp, fresh vegetables or pita bread. And let's not forget about fava, which is a creamy dip made from yellow split peas. It's often flavored with garlic, onion, and lemon juice, and is usually served with a drizzle of olive oil on top. Fava is perfect for spreading on toast or crackers or dipping veggies in. Whether you're enjoying mise as a meal or as a prelude to something larger,